I am going to say something uncomfortable. If you have been quote unquote learning Unreal Engine for months, but you still don't feel confident opening a blank project, you are probably learning it the wrong way. And no, isn't about intelligence or talent or discipline. It's about how you are feeding your brain. Because let me guess how you are learning Unreal Engine right now. You watch tutorials, a lot of tutorials, beginner series, advanced tips, do this like pro, fix this one mistake, and every video makes sense in the moment at least. Then you open Unreal and your mind goes completely blank. That's not because Unreal is too hard, it's because you are training yourself to recognize, not build. Watching tutorial feels productive. Your brain gets little dopamine hit like, oh yeah, I get this. But recognition is not ownership. You don't own the knowledge yet. That's why this matters for you. Because the longer you learn Unreal this way, the more dangerous it becomes. You start believing, I have learned a lot, so why do I feel stuck? That gap hurts. And eventually you stop blaming the method and start blaming yourself. And here's the trap most people fall into. They try to learn everything before making anything. Blueprints, materials, AI, optimization, multiplayer. So Unreal turns into a massive mental mountain that you are always preparing to climb but never actually climb. And Unreal doesn't reward preparation, it rewards use. You don't learn Unreal by watching clean graphs. You learn it by breaking ugly ones. You learn it by placing a wrong node, wiring it badly, fixing it, and understanding why it broke in the first place. That frustration, that's not failure, that's learning finally happening. So if you want to stop spinning your wheels, shift. So here's the mindset shift. Stop asking, what should I learn next? And start asking, what do I want to build that's small enough to finish? One mechanic, one interaction, one ugly prototype. Because small things does something very powerful. It builds trust. Trust that when you open Unreal, you know how to move. And once you have that, tutorials stop being crutches and start being tools. If this felt a little too accurate, you are not behind. You have just been practicing the wrong skill. Stop learning Unreal like a spectator. Start learning it like a builder. If this helped, hit like so it reaches the next stuck dev. Subscribe if you want Unreal advice that actually sticks. Now close YouTube, open Unreal, and break something on purpose.